students, welcome to science class Nutrition in Plants Part 2 for class 7th. In part 1 we are discussed autotrophic mode of nutrition. Today we are discussing about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants which cannot produce their own food and so these are dependent on green plants or other organisms for their food. There are four types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition are there. First is parasitic, second is saprophytic, third one is symbiotic, and the last is insectivorous. Let's have a closer look for each of them. Parasitic nutrition. Some plants like cuscuta called parasite and the plants over which it grows and obtain nutrients is called host. Such mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain nutrients from other organisms' body is called parasitic nutrition. Examples corpse flower rafflesia. Next is saprophytic nutrition. Some plants such as mushroom secrete digestive juice on dead parts of a plants or animals so it is converted into simple substances that are in solution form. They absorb nutrition in solution form. Such mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain nutrients from dead and decaying organic substances are called saprophytic nutrition. Organisms which have a saprophytic nutrition are called saprotrophs. Examples are rhizopus or mucor or pin mold. Other examples are often food like pickle and materials like a leather get spoiled because of saprophytes like fungi. Next is symbiotic nutrition. Organisms which live together like friends, they share shelter and food. In science, we call this relationship or symbiotic relationship. For example, Rhizobium bacteria leguminous plants let the bacteria live in roots and also it provides food. On the other hand, Rhizobium bacteria converts nitrogen into usable form by the plants. In this, both are beneficial each other. Other examples are algae and fungi. It is called lichens. Fungi share shelter, water, and other nutrients to the algae. Thus, algae offered food prepared by photosynthesis. Next is insectivorous nutrition. Some plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plants can eat insects. Their colorful attract insects towards them of their body such as leaves or modified into trap organ such as pitcher which are helps to catching insects. The hair present in the pitcher holds the insect and doesn't escape. With the help of a digestive enzymes, these digest the insects or food and obtaining nutrients from it. The question is why do they need to eat insects? There is a need to convert complex matter to a simple matters. The job is done by Rhizobium bacteria. The process of converting complex matter into simple form, such as ammonia, that can be used by plants is called nitrogen fixation or nitrification because of acidic solution. The process cannot be completed. In such case, the plant searches for other sources of food, which is nothing, that is the insect. I hope you all are understand this heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Thank you all.